Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft To Do or the Tasks area in Outlook and signing in so your lists sync. Once signed in, click plus New List to create a dedicated list. Name it clearly, Project Alpha, Daily Errands, or Weekly Review, and pick a color or icon to make it recognizable. Make sure the list's purpose is explicit so you avoid vague items later. This first action puts structure in place and prepares you to add actionable tasks immediately. Now populate the list by adding tasks one by one. Type a concise title and press Enter. Once tasks exist, expand any task to add subtasks, steps, notes, links, or attachments so context stays with the task. Use due dates and reminders to trigger notifications and add tasks to My Day to prioritize. You can tag or categorize tasks and reorder them by drag and drop. This keeps related tasks together and clarifies sequence. Finish by reviewing the list. Mark completed items, move finished tasks to an archive list, and delete anything obsolete so your list stays lean. Make sure syncing works across devices by checking account status and an active internet connection. Without sync, you'll lose continuity. If tasks don't appear, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or update the Microsoft To Do app. These steps resolve most issues. One key tip: enable automatic sync so changes update immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.